Pratak Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Pratak Sharma. I'm 22 years old. I have done my BTech from Maharaja Hussain Institute of Technology. And coming to my family background, my father is a chemical engineer, my mother is a homemaker, and I am one sister. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, I love singing, dancing, hacking. And lastly, my positive strength is I am adaptive, flexible, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.
So you have done BTech,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And this year only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you pursuing any post-graduation or?
No, ma'am.
Okay. As you are a BTech student, so why do you want to enter in the marketing field?
Ma'am, actually, I love to interact with people. I love to communicate with people, and even my marketing part, I mean my communication part is much stronger than my technical part. That's why.
Okay, then why you did your graduation from BTech then?
Ma'am, actually, after doing BTech, we set a path. Means I can go anywhere. In the core also, in the marketing field also, in anywhere. And after that, I do MBA, which will be very, very grateful to.
Okay. So do you know about profile for which you have come here?
Not exactly, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, it's business development executive. Okay. First of all, our company, Nano 3D company is an animation company. We basically deal in architecture, animation and walkthroughs. Okay. We do have 2 production houses within Delhi and more than 5 offices in Delhi and more than 12 offices in India. Okay, all over India. And our clients are real estate developers. Like, it is not that you need to sell the building. Some people do have misconception about it, but we provide to them 3D videos, 3D animations to them. Okay, this thing we provide to them walkthroughs. Okay, and your job profile is you need to do the corporate sales of our company, in which the data will be given to you. You need to first give calls to the clients, then you need to fix a meeting with the clients, go and meet the clients, give them the presentation regarding the products, and then convince them to bring business from them, okay? And also generate the leads. So this will be your job profile.
Okay, ma'am. Right.
Okay. So Prataksh, according to you, what is marketing?
Ma'am, according to me, marketing is the combination of many strategies to bring out business.
Okay, and what is selling then?
Ma'am, selling is different thing from marketing. Marketing is making strategies, and just selling means you are selling something directly.
Okay, so which area is a broader area, marketing or selling?
Marketing is a broader area.
That is fine. Okay, so Prataksh, can you tell me what is your salary expectation?
Ma'am, 15 to 20.
15 to 20. Basically, you're a fresher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have any experience?
No, but ma'am, I have done 60 days internship in Kajal Digital Securities and marketing only.
Okay, so what is the minimum salary which you expect from our company?
Ma'am, approx 70.
70.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have your own conveyance?
No, ma'am.
If you will be shortlisted, can you arrange for the power for your conveyance?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me, because as it's a marketing or selling field, so you will, lots of traveling will be there. So for that you need to have your own conveyance.
Okay.
Plus the conveyance allowance will be given to you and the mobile charges will be provided to you by the company, but you need to have your own conveyance, that is mandatory. So can you arrange for it?
Ma'am, car will be fine.
Car, yeah, everything. Car or bike or scooter, anything.
Yeah,
Any
ma'am, I'm
conveyance.
not in car, but petrol is very much
Yeah,
expensive.
petrol actually the company will pay you for that.
Okay.
Petrol charges will be provided by the company only.
Then no problem, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Are you open for the brand of the company?
Ma'am, for how many months or year?
It is 18 months. That is 1.5 years.
1.5 years. Now for this thing, I need to know more details about the
Like there is nothing such that you need to just sign the bond.
Okay.
Okay, for 18 months you can't leave the company. In case you will leave the company, you need to pay back 3 months of your salary. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
So you open with that?
Yeah.
Okay. As it's a marketing, so there will be lots of traveling process in Delhi
Okay.
and out of Delhi, maybe North Zone. Any clients can be there from North Zone.
Okay.
So are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. In case you will be shortlisted, how soon can you join?
Ma'am, after this month.
After this month,
Yes, in
October.
October.
Why is it so?
Ma'am, actually, right now I'm pursuing standard edition Java course from NIIT and it will take this month to complete.
It will be finished
Ah, yes.
by the month of October. I should get 1st October?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. I think it's enough for today. This is your number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In case you will be shortlisted, okay,
Okay.
you will receive a call on the same number and you can come for the final round that the manager of our company will take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, fine.
Right.
So you need to wait this week only because we will have the interviews till this week. Maybe this week, on the last day of this week or next week, you will get a call if you will be shortlisted.
Right, ma'am.
Okay, and you can come to the final round.
Okay, sure.
It's nice of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine.